Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 9, Mary, the Queen of Hills. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 2, under the title of grammar, we will learn today present continuous tense, and we will cover up page number 84 and 85. Before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about tenses, simple present tense. I hope you remember it, my dear students. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about tenses. Our today's students' learning outcomes are illustrate the use and structure of the previously learned tenses, simple present and present continuous, simple past and past continuous, and simple future tense in their speech and writing. So this is our SLO and we are going to cover up it today. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, verse number 60 and 61, is the reward for good anything but good. So, which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in these beautiful verses asking that is there any reward, is there any alternate if we are doing good things, good deeds? So definitely we will get good in the alternate in the reward. If we will not do good, so definitely we will not get a good reward from Almighty Allah. So Allah is saying that there are a lot of blessings that how we can deny, and which blessing of Allah we can deny, that Allah has blessed us so many blessings, and these are also countless blessings of Almighty Allah. So my dear students, we must always thankful to Almighty Allah that He has blessed us such countless blessings that we cannot count them. Yes, my dear students, let's refresh our knowledge. Pre-reading questions are there. What are tenses? What do you know about present continuous tense? Yes, my dear teachers, pause the video, get answer from your students and then come back. Excellent job. I hope you have done it and you got it and you have remembered it. What are tenses? So let's see what is a tense. Tenses means time. There are 3 main tenses: past, present and future. Each of these tenses can take 4 main kinds. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students. So what is a tense? Tense means time. Time, how many times are there? There are 3 times: past, present and future. Past time have gone, that we have spent, and present is there, that we are in here, I am teaching you, you are learning, you are sitting in your class. So this is our present time, and after that we will go to home and we will get our home after school. So this will be our near future time. So these 3 times are there. So today we are going to, and these all 3 tenses have 4 kinds. Each tense has 4 kinds. So today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about the things or actions that are still going on or happening. Yes, my dear students. So still going on. Those actions, those are going on, are happening on the time right now. So these actions are called, this time is called present continuous tense. Suppose, my dear students, you are reading in your class, you are listening me. So this is present continuous tense and I am teaching you. This is called a present continuous tense. So let's see there. What is a present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to tell about whatever action is happening at the time of speaking. An incomplete action is expressed in the present continuous tense. It is also known as present progressive tense. Yes, my dear students, so it has an other name also, that is called present progressive tense. And how we can get that this is a present continuous tense? In present continuous tense, action is happening at the time of speaking. Suppose I am speaking with you, so this is called present present continuous tense because it is not completed yet. It is going on. My dear students, I am teaching you and it is not completed. That action is not completed and going on, still happening in the present time. So that tense is called present continuous tense. Let's see there are a few examples, my dear students. Mother is knitting a sweater for Simon. I am writing a letter. The phone is ringing. So you can see that these all things are going on. It is not completed. These all things are not completed. Means mother is knitting. Still she is knitting a sweater, but it is not completed yet. This job is going on. And I am writing a letter. So I am still writing. It is not completed. So this is also called present progressive tense. And the phone is ringing. So it is clearly telling that action is incomplete and still it is happening. There are few other examples are there. They are still sleeping. They are swimming in the sea. What are they doing? Yes, my dear students. So such type of examples are called present continuous tense. We can see that how we can make present continuous tense. Formation of present continuous tense. Am plus present participle, are plus present participle, is plus present participle. Yes, my dear students, so three helping verbs we need to make structure of present continuous tense. Which helping verbs? Am, are, is. So how we can use them? Yeah, let's see. We use helping verb is, am, are to form present continuous tense. We use am with I, is with singular noun and pronoun, and are with plural noun or pronoun. Yes, my dear students, so three helping verbs are there. I is being used, am is being used with I. Just when we are talking about ourselves, about us, like I will talk about me, if you will talk about you, and then it will be used as am. Then we will use am with I, and is with singular noun and pronoun. Singular noun we can say mother, Aisha, and singular pronoun he, she, it. So we will use is. And are will be used with plural noun and plural pronoun. Plural noun when there are two things or more than two things. Suppose they, children. So such type of things are called plural noun and pronoun. So let's see a few examples are there. This is the structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus am, is, are, plus present participle plus object. So in this way we can make a sentence. So you can judge there. I'm writing a letter. So you can see that with I have used am. Already we have discussed that we have to use am with just with I and in present progressive tense. Next example is there. The phone is ringing. So phone is a singular noun. So I have used is, and that ring plus ing. So this is called present participle. The next is they are swimming in the sea. So they, you can judge in this example. So they, plural pronoun, they is. So that's why we have used their are. So these are the examples how we can use helping verbs in present progressive tense. So what is a present participle? A present participle is a form of the verb ending with ing. Examples: show plus ing, showing. Come plus ing, coming. Yes, my dear students. So this is the way such type of words we add ing with the base form of the word. Verb, this is a verb, show, come. So to make present participle, so we can add ing with the base form, first form of verb. Like go, going, eat, eating. So we can make that. So how we can that? There is a rule, we have to double the last consonant of verbs having one syllable, one vowel ending with one consonant before adding ing. Yes, my dear students, there is also a rule how we can add ing if there is a word with single syllable, one syllable word with one vowel. So then we have to double the last consonant. Then we'll put ing, and you can see that, you can judge. Let's see, few examples are there, like get plus ing is equal to getting. So you can judge in this example, beta, there is e vowel and next is consonant, and this is single syllable word, one syllable. So that's why we have doubled that consonant, we got it double. And nodding, that is, you can judge that, nodding, jog, ing plus jogging. So you have got, my dear students, that how we can double, that if there is just single syllable. Next examples are rob plus ing, robbing, stop, ing, stopping, swim plus ing, swimming. So you can see that they all words have single syllables, just one syllable these all words have. Yes, next rule is there, if a verb ends in single e, we have to drop the e before adding ing. Yes, my dear students, those verbs are being ended with single e, just one e is there. So then we have to drop the e. After that we will add ing. Examples are there, like chase, ing is equal to chasing. So there you can judge in these examples that we have dropped e there, that e, because there is a single e at the end of the verb. So that's why we have dropped it off. Drive, ing, driving, cycle, cycling, smile, smiling. So you can judge in these examples, my dear students. Yes, my dear students, let's perform an activity in your class now. Already we have get that what is present progressive tense. Yes, my dear teachers, give 5 minutes to your class to make observations about what's happening all around in the classroom and outside the windows. Make sure the students use the present progressive when describing what they see. Teacher will guide students properly about the use of present progressive tense. Yes, my dear teachers, this activity is so inspiring and it's so funny activity. Give few minutes, 5 minutes to your class and say them that judge all around what is happening in the classroom, what their classmates are doing, and what is happening out of the classroom. They can see from window, from door, you can get them. So after that, they will tell in the shape of sentences using present progressive tense. Perform this activity in class and then come back. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed it and you have collected many knowledge that what is happening around and how we can describe it in present progressive tense. Good job, my dear students. Yes, now we will perform individual activity. Open book, page number 85, question number 5. Choose the correct form of verb to fill in the blanks. So now you will fill the blanks using present progressive tense. Perform this activity in class. Excellent job. Good. Yes, my dear students, so our today's homework is write question number 6 given on page number 85 in your notebooks. So this is question, write about one of your happy memories. Also use transition words. given on page number 85. So my dear students, this is your homework. That is your happy memory, any happy memory of your life. So you will discuss and you will describe it in your notebook. This is your today homework. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. Click it, download it, and provide it to your students to get more knowledge about present progressive tense. So what we covered today? Today we learned about tenses. We learned about present continuous tense and its formation. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, illustrate the use and structure of the previously learned tenses, simple present and present continuous, simple past and past continuous, and simple future tense in their speech and writing. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got knowledge about tenses, that how we can describe an action in any time. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.